Alright, so the problem with the previous version of this LED Frunk light was it came with this connector that basically was, zoom this out a little bit. It had basically three sets of wires. You had a red and black that goes to the actual front light itself, and then there was this extra ground wire with a ring that there was not a measure where it needs to go. The problem is when you connected it as it is right now, the light will work, but it disabled your emergency front release button. The only way to get everything to work, the light and the button, was to do this. So here's, let me take this out of the way. Here's what I had to do. So I took the wiring, cut the negative one, and then the ring, the ground wire, those two were not used. They were basically just taped off in here. And then the black wire that was cut, the other end of it, I stripped the end and I ran it into this latch here. Now this is coming, I have an auto front on this one. This is coming from here. So if you did not have that, you just have to find a way to wrap it into the latch bolts. But again, that was the only way you could get the emergency release button and the light to work. Now that's the previous wiring, you had three wires, two that went to the light connector and then an extra ground wire. What Satonic has done and fixed that now is correct this wiring anomaly. Now this is what it looks like. So you've got the wiring, the splitter here, and from that splitter you've got just a red and black wire. The black wire is now the one with the ring. So instead of you having the ground wire and the negative wire, it's not just one combined, one black wire, one red wire. So there's not three wires anymore. Now it's down to two. This is going to be a little quick tutorial of how to get this wiring set up now that it's corrected and you don't have to cut any wiring anymore. Yeah, so one of these locks, either this screw or that one, is what you have to take out. If you want to be careful here again, because if you take this loose and it shifts, it will affect how your front closes. That's why I really don't want to mess with that there, but don't have much of a choice. So now that everything's all done, it, like I tell, like as mentioned, it makes a whole lot of difference when you have lights in the front. You had one I like to have in there before is that little small emergency button release light, but this makes a whole difference. You have a nice glow coming into the trunk. It's all lit up. So hopefully this video has been helpful in helping you know how to install this fixed LED front light. And again, it's a lot easier, more straightforward now. So if this has been helpful, don't forget to please hit the buttons, like, share, subscribe. I appreciate the support. And so we'll see you next time.